Okay, hey guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you saw by the title of this video, this is my first YouTube video, which is crazy. It's been a really long time coming, but I'm so excited to just jump into it. Let's get it going already. Like, if you don't know me personally, I have made a million YouTube videos, but I never edit them and I never post them. So this is very exciting that it's actually happening. So today's video is going to be kind of chill, kind of low-key, just kind of getting pretty. We obviously don't have anywhere to go, but who cares? It's going to be kind of like my everyday, natural, soft, glam kind of makeup look, but I'm going to include all of my favorites in it and like all the products that I've been using frequently. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you get some tips from it. I'm going to try to like I said, show you guys my favorites and then also show you guys like some tips and tricks that I have, and we're just kind of do it all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm so excited to finally be starting my channel. Thank you guys so much for supporting it if you are, and yeah, make sure to subscribe for more because I'm gonna try to make this a weekly thing. Pray for me. But thanks guys, let's get into it. So to start off, I'm going to take my Milani Cosmetics blush, and this is in the shade Luminoso. And this blush, I swear by it. I've been using it for a solid like year and a half now at this point. I have another one, but it's crusty, so we're gonna be using the new one. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe JH06 brush. This is also my favorite brush. I have another one of it because I love it so much. I'm just going to take that on the brush. I'm gonna grab some more because I kind of used it. And then I like to bring it up to like my temple area, like right here. I don't know what to call this area, right between my temple and like my cheek area. And I'm gonna take it from my cheek area to that weird area and then kind of bring it up to my temple and kind of bring it down a little bit. I always smile while I apply my blush just because, you know, it helps. I don't know, because you want to give the most natural effect. I don't like when people have, I mean, it's fine, but like for me personally, I don't like to have that like crazy blush effect where like I literally look like a clown. But what I love about this blush is that it has some like shimmer in it. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it gave a really nice sheen to my skin, and this helps when we apply the highlight that we're going to be applying. And then I take some on my nose just to add some pink on there. Okay, so today we're going like soft glam. So I'm gonna grab the products that I use for glam, but we're kind of just making it soft. And by soft, I really just mean that we're not doing any eyeshadow. I'm taking my Ofra X Nikki Tutorials Glazed Donut Highlight. This is one of my favorite highlighters. I cannot find a highlight that's better than it. I got the Jaclyn Hill, oh my god, I'm already giving a review. I got the Jaclyn Hill like highlighter palette, and I thought that it would be like really good, but like Ofra still slays, okay? Like Ofra is still my OG, like watch this. Oh, by the way, I'm taking this on my Jeffree Star X Morphe JS4 brush. I love this brush so much. Okay. And then I'm just going to smile, and I apply it right there on my cheek, right there on the apple of my cheeks? Yes, apple of my cheeks. Oh my god. And then I kind of bring that up to that weird area in a C shape, just like that. Right there. And I just use the side of the brush to kind of blend that out. I'm going to take some of that and put that, so not to flip you off, but kind of did. I'm going to put that on my nose. As you can tell, I already have some on my nose. We're not trying to look ugly. And just bring that up. I have so many hairs on my face. We love having dogs. And why I do the apples on my cheeks is just so that like when I smile, you can see the highlight. See? Otherwise, if you just do it like on that side area, you can't really see it too much, especially like right now on camera. But like, next thing is I'm taking my Anastasia, what's this called? My Anastasia loose highlighter in the shade Snowflake, and I love this stuff. It's just like a loose highlighter. You only need to tap in like once and you get like a few sparkles, and you'd think that that's not enough, but it is, trust me. This stuff is like magic. And then I just apply that on the same areas just to add a more touch of like kind of glitterishness. I don't know. It just adds like a whole nother level to it. See, like bam. she's here. She is here for it. The next part we're gonna go on to is the eyes. So like I said, we're doing soft glam. I'm gonna take my Glossier Play pencil in the shade Pretty Penny, and this is like a nice warm like copper brown. It's a shimmer color as well. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner, nothing too crazy, but really just kind of doing that classic natural liner look. So how I like to do it with these pencils, because normally I have like an eyeliner pen, like the Kat Von D eyeliner, but with a pencil, I like to first line my eye with it, starting at the edge, and then just going along the whole eyelid. And for this particular pencil, you do have to kind of like swipe it back and forth a few times to really see those sparkles, but once you do, girl, they're there. And then, this is the fun part, you get to create the wing. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a little line right there and connect it. So we're going for a more like cat eye kind of look. Normally I do like curved wings because that's my eye shape. I have hooded eyes, but we're just gonna go for it. And then you always have to close your eyes and make sure that when you're closing your eyes, it looks good, because you don't want to have like a huge bump right there. That's usually where it happens. And then you just kind of eyeball what you want to fix. But yeah, normally guys, I don't do eyeshadow without a primer, but like for this specific reason today, we're only doing this eyeliner and it stays on, like no matter what, which is amazing considering it's, you know, from Glossier. I'm sorry, not to be shady. Finally got the wing that I wanted. These pencils are very finicky, so I don't know if I would recommend them completely, but for me personally, they're kind of the vibe that I like. They're very, you know, easy to take off, but they also stay on all day. So for that reason, I do really like them. But again, they do kind of, you know, have their moments. But okay, normally I would just take my Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I would take the shade VIP right here. This is an amazing inner corner highlight, but I am going to take this on my brow bone. Just add a little pop right for a little bit of fun. I'm going to take the shade Filthy Rich from my Thirsty palette. Obviously this is not like needed, but I just like it for fun. This is like a glittery gold shade. I don't know why, but with this brown eyeliner, it really just serves looks. So I like to use my Morphe setting spray. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit of the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Taupe. And this is the, oh my god, it's so old, it doesn't have the number, but this is a Anastasia brow brush. And I'm just going to naturally fill in my brows. And what I mean by that, let me zoom you in. I took a good amount of product on the brush, and I'm just going to kind of fill in as naturally as possible. And yes, you can brush. You can brush up if that helps, but for me, I just kind of like naturally fill in. I don't know how to explain the technique I'm doing. I'm just kind of like taking product and brushing it through my brows. I'm going to take my Glossier Boy Brow, and this is in the shade Brown, I believe, and I'm just going to use this to comb through and kind of give my brows the shape that I demand. I really love this little brow gel because it's very like tinted, but it's also really nice just like gel. Next up on the list is mascara. Yeah, we're already here, girl. So what I like to do is I like to first curl my lashes, and I'll show you how. I just take the lash curler, I open my eyes, look forward, and then look up a little bit, and then I squeeze. And to adjust, I kind of look up more. And I lost like the lid, But this is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This stuff is amazing. You need to try it. Seriously, I recommend it to everybody. It's the best mascara I've ever used. I have used a lot of mascaras in my days, okay? But this mascara heals and nourishes the lashes while it's on, and it's also very like volumizing and full. Usually for the end lashes, kind of like swipe up this mascara to do my bottom lashes. I don't know why, but this mascara in particular just really does something for my bottom lashes. Okay, so let me put y'all on something. This is a Morphe lip crayon, and it's in the shade TLC, I believe. And this is so similar, y'all, to the shade Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. I was obsessed with that shade. I'll show y'all. I'm just gonna apply it. And as you can see, it's just a really nice neutral pink, but it like looks very natural. And then very natural, at least for me. So then I'll take my Jeffree gloss in the shade Wizard's Glass. And it's like a perfect topper. I'm dead serious. Like, oh my god. So yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this look. I do it all the time. It's a very easy look, I think. But yeah, these are all my favorite products. These are products I use every day on the daily when I'm doing makeup. Right now I'm not, because I don't have anywhere to go. But when I do, I use these products and they're good enough for me, you know what I mean? And yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, I am a cruelty-free makeup enthusiast. I don't want to call myself a makeup artist because I know that word can get a little tricky, but yeah, I am cruelty-free. So all the products I use today are either cruelty-free, or they're all cruelty-free, but they also might be vegan. I know Jeffree Star is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm so excited to finally have my YouTube channel up. And yeah, check out my Instagram because I post there obviously more often. And yeah, I'm so excited to finally be getting into YouTube. You guys can expect, like I said, reviews and tutorials and all that kind of thing, just from your average day consumer, you know. I'm gonna try to make this fun. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, love you. Oh, I look so white. I can't. I don't know why I look so white, but I do. I am also white. Fun fact, in case you didn't know. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
You have burritos here, but I forgot rice.
Okay. I'm filming.